So today we are gonna solve LeetCode problem the day for 9 September. Now the problem is spiral matrix 4. So basically what the problem states is you are given two matrix M and N which represents the dimensions of a matrix. You are also given the head of a linked list of integer. Generate a M cross N matrix that contains the integer in the linked list presented in spiral form clockwise. Starting from the top left Starting from the top left of the matrix, if there are remaining empty spaces, fill them with -1. Okay. So basically, we will be given a linked list and we have to fill the same number in matrix in this fashion, spirally. So initially we will go to the top row, then the last column top to down, then last row right to left, then first column bottom to top just below the top one because that one we have already covered, then second row, like this we keep going. So let's first make the matrix we need. Matrix and so there we go. And since the numbers which we don't have to fill will be -1, so initially fill everyone with -1 and we will start filling, and up to where we can fill we will fill, the remaining one will stay -1. So now let's see how are we gonna fill it. Let's just take a current which will point to head. So we'll take two pointer which I will represent the row number, J will represent the column number. I will say while current see the thing is we should keep track of something like how right we can go, how much in the top we can go, how much in the bottom we can go, how much in the left we can go. So initially the left limit is like how much left we can go, 0. Up to 0 we can go. How much top we can go, 0. How much right we can go, 0. How much bottom we can go, wait a second, how much right can we go, it's m-1, no, actually it's n-1. And how much at the bottom we can go, it's m-1, right? Because there are m columns, m rows, so we can go m-1, 0, 1, 2, m is 3, right? So yeah, so we'll check if J can further go right. Also we should check the direction, right? In direction, initially let's say 0. 0 is from left to right, 1 is from top to bottom, 2 is from right to left, and at last 3 is from bottom to top. So initially we are going from top to left, so we gotta check direction. And also if direction is equal to 0, so we gotta go from top to left. So if first we must also check if we can go in left or not even. So to go to the left, J must be less than, I mean to go to the right, J must be less than R, right? In that case less than equal to I. In that case we will just matrix of I comma j, we will mark it as current dot well and current will move to current dot left. Also we need to do the j plus plus since we moved. In other case, if we can't move to more left, Now we got to go to bottom. Now we need to change our direction, so direction will be 1 now in case we want to move the left, right. Also, now the top should decrease, I mean increase, right? So top plus plus, and so yeah, this should be it. Else if direction equal to 1, so this is the case if you are moving from top to down. Wait a second. Also we should plus the I plus plus, right? We should move to the next row if this is filled, because anyway. Wait, initially put it here, and in case J is equal to R, so we have filled the last one we could have filled, so we should rather if J is less than R, we can just do the J plus plus, but if J we will keep the J same, and we will increase the I rather, and we'll change the direction, and topmost limit will change, and the direction will be this one. Now if direction is 1 from top to bottom, we will see if J is less than bottommost, we can go. Where is this coming from? If J is less than bottom, we can just increase I plus plus, and obviously we'll be filling this. Sense. And again, in case J is equal to B, so we have filled the bottommost. Now our direction should become 2, and our J should be minus minus, I would stay same. In this case we don't have to do that, we have to do this, right? Rather I will do this, and if I is less than bottom, now if direction is 2, that is going from right to left, so that should be matrix of I comma j is equal to current dot val, again current next, and if up to our j is greater than left, up to our j is greater than left, okay, we can do j minus minus, else the direction would change, and also our total I minus minus if I may. In the last case, the direction will be 4, matrix of I comma j will be current dot val since you are moving at the top, I would change. If I is less than top, what will I say? Just 2y minus minus. Else direction would change to 0. Okay. Yeah, direction will change to 0, obviously change. And something else need to change. What should we what? We need to move to the one box right. How do you do that? There will be j plus plus and plus. Our left should move one plus right, and in this case our bottom should move up one plus. So end it. And if I may, and in this case, what will move? Our right will move one place, and here our top will move one place. So yeah, it seems fine to me. Okay. Now we can just return the matrix. There's one case that we are missing. What if the linked list is longer than the number of cell in the matrix? What are we gonna do then? I don't know. We'll see. But let's just try it. Okay, it worked fine. Unexpectedly, I did expect it some either. Okay, let's see how many test cases can it handle. Okay, it failed. And why did it fail? We had 20 cell, and what was the size of linked list? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, so 15 to 19. Okay, so that problem is not there. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so there is something wrong with our code, and what could it be? If we are moving left, we are moving left, moving to the next pointer. If j is less than, I will just do j plus plus, else we will change the direction. To 1, and our top will move to plus 1. Now we are going from top to down. Okay, now as long as it's less than b, will keep increasing. The moment it's on the bottom, we will fill it, but we'll move to the next one. And how do we move? Just next one, and right will move. This seems fine to me. And in the case of direction 2, we will keep going left until we can. The moment we can't, we'll change the direction and move one cell up. Also bottom level will make sense. Next is I, j. Current dot well. Current is current dot next. As long as I is less than top. Wait, it should be greater than top, right? And yeah, that should be it. Let's try this. Yeah. Oh, it worked. So that case, we didn't even have to handle where the number of nodes in linked list are greater. Yeah, they do have that restriction, right? So it works. and something we can do better, like this thing we are doing every time, so rather move it out of the if else statement to make the code just shorter. I don't think it will improve anything time complexity wise. So yeah, this is the solution I could come up with. I know it's a bit clumsy and there are people who can make you understand in a easier way, but I just wanted to share the original solution I come up with when I see the problem for the first time. So yeah, this was it.